அனைவருக்கும் இனிய வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் ஜோதிமணி கல்யாணம், ஸ்ரீதன்யா ஸ்மார்ட் சர்வீஸ் கட்டிங் ஃப்ளோட்டர் டீலர். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் மெட்டபிள் கட் 180T மொபைல் ஸ்கின் ப்ரொடக்டர் கட்டிங் மிஷினில் ஃப்ரண்ட், அதாவது மொபைலுக்கு உண்டான ஃப்ரண்ட் கேட்டகரியில் ஃப்ரண்டில் நம்ம என்னென்ன ஃபிலிமில் நம்ம கட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ வீடியோ ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். ஸோ இதில் உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா TPU ஃபிலிம், அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு இதில் நம்ம மெட்டபிளில் கட் பண்ணிக்கிறது. ஸோ அதில் என்னென்ன வெரைட்டி இருக்கிறது அப்படின்னு தான் நீங்கள் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. ஸோ வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். Hello everyone, I am Jyothimani Kalyanam, proprietor of SRIDHANYA Smart Service Cutting Floater Dealer. In this video has the content of Mietubl using front TPU film, about what type of TPU film available in market and which type of using that material. So please see the video, don't skip the video, please see the video in last. Thank you.
Screen the 4 layers of screen protector.
Is it cutting laser or both cutting?
This screen.
Screen protector.
And it applies also very easy. And it is unbreakable.
Unbreakable.
In this we have so many seven types of materials. It is the anti-blue. It is only anti-blue clear and anti-blue matte. Okay. And this is the auto recovery.
Auto recovery TPU.
Auto recovery means suppose that any mobile, it will be, suppose it has no scratches and no itchings. You can like this, it automatically it will become repaired.
Okay.
This is the very costly and very fantastic material. So this is anti recovery, auto repair. Auto repairing material. It is all films are coming with the 4 layers.
4 layers.
So I will show how to do, and I will the things. And this is the clear.
Clear means
Clear means HD clear. Clear. And it is the matte. Matte, clear, anti-blue, anti-privacy, anti-recovery, and the same like that. It is the 9H.
9H. This 9H.
It is the 9H means it is the light glass also mixing in this material. It is only fiber. It is the TPU. Only hydrogel. These all are the hydrogel, high definition hydrogel anti-shot, and this is the hydrogel films all are. Okay. The hydrogel films, this total. Same. It is the mixing with light glass. HD screen, so these also we can cut and we can like. इसमें clear and matte, 2 types are come. This is the matte. This is the matte. Anti-glare means matte. It is the clear. Light. So we have 7 types coming. It is complete. It is imported. It is not available in in India.
Yeah. It is also logo coming.
Yeah, it is the Mietubl.
It is
the same.
Import.
I will show you. This is the coming with 4 layers. Okay. You remove. This is the back release. Okay. This is the Right. Next, you take one mobile and you keep as per your dimensions. Okay. You can set this is the dimension, and you can the thing. This is simple. Okay. Then you remove this one, and just you need to put like.
Okay.
Next. So how many layers? This is the first layer. This is the second layer. Afterwards, you just remove layer. Third layer. Removing. Four layers. Very simple and very fast.
Then yeah.
Okay.
Next sticker.
It is a high quality German quality. So many in the market also so many available.